Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, cloth seat trim. Come see the car for yourself.